Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Students, let's start our today's session. I hope you are enjoying this video. Students, let's talk about seasons. Do you know about seasonal cycle? No. Okay. I will explain it. Students, there are main 4 seasons. Do you know any name of a season?
Summer season,
Summer season or and
winter season,
yes,
spring season.
and rainy season. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
students, in summer season we like to go out for picnic and swimming, right? It comes in the month of May, June and July, right? Students, see which season is this? Winter. Students, in winter season we wear woolen clothes. We can see snow everywhere and it comes in the December to February month. Okay? Then which season is this?
Rainy season,
Rainy season. What is the other name of rainy season?
monsoon,
Monsoon season. Very good. Students, children play with paper boats. We can see rainbow in the sky.
We can also wear raincoats,
Yes. And
gumboots.
we can use umbrellas. Umbrella protect us from rain. Right? It comes in the month of June and July. Right? Students, this is a spring season. Spring season. In this season, flowers bloom, trees grows very fast. Everywhere we can see greenery, right? This is the season neither hot nor cold. Everybody like this season. Okay, it comes in the month of March. Now, students, let's go outside and see the weather. Right? What type of weather is outside?
Summer season,
Summer season. Sunny
sunny
means
weather,
yes, sunny means shiny. Rainy means rain. Rain is coming. Snowy means winter. Open page number 10 and read the instructions. Paste the correct sticker. Okay? Good. Students, open page number 11. Now tell me which season comes first. According to the year, which season comes first? Yes, number the boxes to show the order in which the season comes during the year. Winter. Yes. Then winter after?
summer,
Spring. Winter after? Spring. Spring after?
summer,
Summer. Summer after?
rainy,
Rainy. Rainy season after? Winter. Right? Good. Students, we eat fruits and vegetables daily. Some fruits are available only in summer, like mango. Some vegetables are found only in winter like carrot. Students, we should eat one fruit daily. Fruits and vegetables are healthy for us. Okay? Students, what is the color of an apple?
Red.
Red. Good. Which fruit has many seeds?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Yes. And papaya, orange, grapes. Right? Okay. Which fruit green from outside and red from inside?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Very good. Students, which fruit has no seed?
Banana.
Banana. Which fruit has one seed?
Mango.
Mango. And
Lychee.
lychee, yes. Plum. Peach. Right? These fruits have only one seed. Students, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Okay? Students, open page number 12. See, there are some pics of vegetables, underground vegetables. Students, do you know some vegetables are grown below the ground and some vegetables are grown up the ground? Do you know which vegetables are grown up the ground?
No, ma'am.
Ladyfinger, pumpkin, capsicum, brinjal. Okay, which vegetables are grown underground?
Potato.
Potato, yes. Carrot. Potato, carrot, radish, turnip. These are grown underground. Students, color the vegetable that grow underground. Okay? You can color carrot, radish, potato and turnip. Okay? Good. Students, let's do one activity. Take some beads of different colors. There are many beads. Okay? Take one string like this and put some beads in a string. How many, ma'am? 10. 10 beads like this. 10 beads of same color. 2. Okay. 3. Very good. 4. Which number comes after 4? 5. 6. 7. Good. 8. 9. And 10. Students, see, these are 10 beads and now plus 1 is 11, then plus 2 is
12. Students, make 5 strings like this. Use beads of different colors and start 51, 52. Okay?
Open page number 79 of your workbook. Trace the number 51 to 60, then write. Then open page number 80. Write the numbers 81. Okay? Yes, students, open page number 82, 83 and sit with your family members. After doing this, sit with your family members and talk about the things you have done since morning. Okay? You have learned so many things in this session. Talk about the things like you have learned about fruits and vegetables, which are grown below the ground and which are grown up the ground. Students, you have also learned about different seasons. How many seasons are there? We can use which things in which season, right? Like you can use umbrella, etc. Students, wash your hands before and after every meal. Throw waste papers, waste wrappers in dustbin. Don't throw here and there. Help your parents in cleaning the house. Okay, keep your books, keep your notebooks on proper place. Do not go outside. Play with your friends and practice the rhymes you have learned before. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.